Hey there, Audra here. A lot of people ask me, Audra, what is in the how-to portion of your staging and redesign training? And that's a great question because, of course, on our buy page, sales page, I go into all the work, the business side, and what you need to know, and how we give you all the forms and the templates and the guides and the marketing materials and the pricing and the process frameworks for your business. But the truth is, I give you a ton of how to materials, and I haven't been very good about explaining exactly how much I give. And in fact, when I was on a couple of our competitors' websites, I see that they really focus mostly just only on the how to and not really on the business. So let me tell you what is in the how-to side of our staging and redesign. Now it's 3 weeks. Here is kind of the 3-week calendar. I'm on the buy page, and you can see each day is broken up in these white things are the business trainings of that day, and each day has a pink design module. So we have all of these kind of how to design modules where we cover not just how to, but also how to phrase what it is that you're doing when you're inside the home so your clients can understand it. So each day has kind of a complementary design module you can see from the calendar. And if I go into our training area, you can see here I am on day one, and here's the business side, here's the design modules. I have a how to stage occupied 45-minute kind of how-to video on occupied homes. And then we're introducing kind of our design modules. And the first design module that we give you is kind of my essential design rules. And in this module, if I go to it, you can see that it's really typical of most of our kind of design rules or all of our modules. It's about 31 pages. They're all about 30 pages. And in this one just covers, here's me with Vern Yip, love him, all of kind of the measurements. A lot of us, these are just hard, fast design rules. There's a lot that you can float, but you really can't. You have to have distances from the coffee table to the couch, from the height of the tables to the seating area, from the ottomans to the armchairs to your kitchen to your accessories. And so we give you this kind of your cheat sheet, if you will, just design module number one. So this is really typical of all our design modules. Now I'm going to give you can click in this video above if you can see that button. If not, I'm sure it's below. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to this page link and you can actually get my design modules table of contents. So what is this? This tells you all of the how-to that I go over in each one of our design modules over the course of 3 days. And you can see this table of contents is like 23 pages long. So you could see on day one, exactly what I just showed you, how to do an occupied video. And then here's those essential design rules. And here's just a quick layout of everything you're going to learn in each one of the modules. Day two, I really break into what are the elements of great design, because I see a lot of confusion and a lot of the how-to design books out there because there are principles and there are elements that affect those principles. If you don't know the difference, let's say, between proportion and scale, I'm going to explain that to you very clearly in a way that you can actually explain it well to your clients. And so if you're saying, oh, Audra, I'm a designer and I don't know the difference between proportion and scale, I get those mixed up. Don't worry, I have a very easy way for you to explain that to your clients and for you to understand that, because that's kind of a big rule that most of our clients break, is the scale rule. So this is an entire, just the table of contents for all of my design models, where you can see we go through design style, architectural style, home styles. We talk about focal points and how to guide the eye, particularly with staging, how we can distract. I give you tons. Each one of these design modules are photo filled. They've got all sorts of examples, case studies, and I'm always kind of adding to it. I walk you through arranging, how to arrange coffee tables, dining room setups, living room, art arrangement, everything you need to know about arranging and kind of my rules to that. And then in week two, we get into room by room staging and design. So I go bang, 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 room by room. I have kind of very specific ways I would recommend you tackle each room, kind of a framework for each room so that you can kind of understand and kind of help the client understand, working with their lifestyle questionnaire if this is a redesign client, and then going through my steps and considerations for assessing each space. So There's a lot in here. And if you just have this stuff down because this is your passion, no worries. That's fine. I mean, that's the beauty of our training. We're giving it all to you so you can skip, skim, focus, jump ahead. I mean, the focus of our training is that you get your framework, your process, and your pricing right. So you're very easily selling your business and your marketing, obviously, to get business and not reinventing the wheel. But I just want you to be able to download this and see all of the goodies we go over, because as I was on some of my competitors' sites and seeing kind of they list all the how to of what they go over, texture, form, rhythm, scale, all that stuff. Well, here is the list. I couldn't even fit it on one page of our 5 page of all the things, from color to feng shui to window resales to trends to everything we go over, model homes. This is all the stuff, home builder trends, we go over in our how to portion. And in this design table of contents that you can download for free, I even give you access to a free training, my latest training on trends. So you get actually a glimpse of the way I train and also a little bit of the how to of how I train. So if you love design and you're wondering, is this something I can do? That's my gig. I've trained thousands of people on how to create successful staging and design businesses. I know you can do this. It's taking your passion, doing what you love, and making good money at it. And that is through my 3-week training. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want details on that, you can click on that. Just giving you a glimpse of all the how-to portion alone that's inside my HSR staging and redesign training. And I hope to see you in the next video.